and necessary action is going to be taken against those people.
The high-powered committee, which met on Monday, discussed the new design of the dome for the new Meghalaya Assembly. Chairman of the HPC and the Speaker of Meghalaya Assembly, Medba Lingdo, said that the design associate gave a presentation on 4 options or 4 types of design to the members of the committee, which included the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. He said out of the 4 designs, the option number 2 has been selected and agreed by the HPC. The Speaker said that he sees that in 6 months' time, the new assembly building will be completed.
The HPC committee sat and discussed on the new design of the dome portion, where the design associate, the consultant, has given a presentation on 4 options, means 4 types of designs to the HPC members, and where we have come to a conclusion from the 4 designs, the option number 2 has been selected and agreed by the HPC. Since work is going on in other parts of the building, so we see that in 6 months' time, the new assembly building will be completed.
The Rebhoy Darbar today held the executive committee